My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale, but today I'm showing you guys how I do my nails. I just have some press-ons, clear blank press-ons. I purchased these years ago, like a lot of them. They were having a fabulous sale at Amazon and I just got these tips like years ago. I got them for like $6, $5 for a whole bag. Like legit, I have a whole bag of them and a case of them right here, whatever. And yeah, so you could just, get tips. These are the coffin, the square coffin nails or whatever, the skinny coffin, because they, I have different shapes, but today I'm just gonna do these or whatever, and I'm doing some basic nails, something anyone can do. And I had a few people ask me they want to see a full tutorial, so here you go. I've already shaped, they've already shaped, I didn't shape them, but I buffed the front of the nails so that the exterior, because I'm going to lay acrylic on them, and I use the Mia Secret clear acrylic. I'm just going to put a layer so the nails are stronger, and I like doing them this way because I used to apply acrylic straight to my nails. That's how I started doing my nails, but I don't think that is as safe. So I like to do everything like this. That way I'm not curing my hands constantly, putting all these chemicals on my hands. I just do it after the fact and then just add them with some acrylic, which is funny. I said I don't like, but not all the acrylic, just a little bit of acrylic. And then I'm gonna stop talking because I talk too much and just show you what I do. So here we go. And I'm literally just doing a thin layer. You don't want them too thick. You can. I've done them thicker or whatever, but usually I'll basically upsize the nail, because once you add all the acrylic onto it, the nail is going to kind of like shrink. So I'm just doing a thin layer right now because I'm going to be adding some gel polish to it as well. So yeah, just a thin layer of acrylic just so that they're a little bit sturdier. And you also want to do a thin layer so you don't have to foul them so much at the end. At least that's what I do. And in working with this acrylic, be sure you're in a well ventilated area. These chemicals are super strong. I actually have a mask on. That's the thing, I don't mind store press-ons or whatever, but the ones that I got from Claire's were really cheap and thin, and I didn't build them up. They were really short, so I didn't really feel I had enough room to really build them up like that. So they, I had to take them off because they just were too thin for when I cook and clean and stuff like that. That's why I like doing my own this way. And I'm not going to do any fancy designs because usually I like my nails super extra. I mean, I have I do sometimes extra nails, I'm super extra with them. And then sometimes I like simple. And today they're just going to be really simple. A few crystals, some gel polish, and I'm going to call it the day. Yeah, one of my dolly friends, her name is Sasha. I'm gonna pop her nail up. She on my last short, she was like, you should do 12 days of Christmas nails, and I told her challenge accepted. So when I do my Christmas nails, I'm gonna do another tutorial. If this one goes well, if it doesn't, I'll just do a short. But I'm gonna do my nails doing the 12 days of Christmas nails, and I'm gonna have all kind of little crazy little decorations, or do my best trying. Yeah, so yeah. If you watching, Sasha, thank you, girl. You are so supportive. Like, oh my goodness. She always like shouting me and my toy world out. Like, we have like this little friendship going. I love it. You guys in the dog community are so awesome. Going to use this base coat and apply a layer and then cure. Need some more base coat. Now I'm gonna use this OPI gel color. It's the Hello Pretty from the Hello Kitty collection. My son used to work for the company that made this, and he gave me a bunch of gel polishes from OPI, which they're the best. Consequently, I have a lot of product. If anybody wants to purchase any, let me know. I have a lot of product. So now I'm gonna use this nail rhinestone glue by McCart. I buy a lot of their products. I have a lot of their gel polishes, kits and things of that nature. And here are my Swarovski crystals. So I'm gonna just try to figure out like a design that I'm gonna do and go from there. Kind of cute in a weird way. It's right here. I don't know how I feel about this now. I don't know how I feel about this, but yeah, we're curing it. So yeah, that's done. And they're all not gonna be like this because yeah, I don't want, and I'm heavy-handed, so I can't even, like my left hand I'll do like the most, and my right hand has to be simple because even with this strong glue, I'm gonna knock them off. I always do. It never fails. Like I'm not even about to do that because I will knock them off, and them Swarovski crystals are hella expensive. I got them a long time ago. Like even now they're super expensive. I have tons and enough. I don't need to buy any more, and I wouldn't because they're super expensive, and they've always been expensive because they're not acrylic. They don't melt. Like yeah, they are expensive. So now it's time to top coat these, and then I can put them on. And I'm just using my cart top coat. So here are my nails. The video is already super long, so I'm just going to prep my nails and then glue them on. I'm not going to use acrylic because the nails are, it's super long, and I already have some other nails that I want to do, that I'm going to do. I'm not going to leave these on for that long. I mean, it's cool for now, but I'm not a purple person, so yeah, I'm not leaving these on long. So I will be right back. I'm just going to prep my nails and pop them on. So my nails are prepped. I'm gonna use McCart glue and just glue on my nails. I'll hold it for maybe 10 seconds or so. So now I'm going to apply this cuticle oil. It smelled like peaches. It said it was peach oil. It smells so good, the cuticle oil. Like, oh my goodness. Yeah, I just rub it all over my hands if I use too much or whatever. But yeah, this is how I do my nails, and I've been doing it this way since 2015. I mean, I'm not a professional or anything, but I like them well enough. It does what I need them to do. And I haven't been wearing my nails this long, so yeah, that's why I did not lay them down with acrylic, because I like my nails a little bit shorter nowadays, especially when crafting. But I mean, that's neither here nor there. So if you did like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and let me know your thoughts. Also share the video. Sharing is caring. Ring that notification bell. And until the next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.